Good morning, students. We are now in home quarantine for almost 27 days, and we don't know how far this new virus is going to torment us. All the world is suffering from COVID-19, and all the nations, as well as our nation India, is fighting to do away with this virus that has made our life intolerable, and the society, all nation and all world is at stake. Now we are staying at home to be safe, to keep our family safe, and to keep our nation safe, as well as to keep our world safe. You are going to sit for Madhyamik Parikha, Madhyamik exam next year, that is 2021, and you are at difficulty. We know you cannot attend the classes as the school is closed for a long time, and it will be closed for another month or so. So far as we know, it will be closed till 10th June. So it is our small effort to make some digital classes for you and upload them in the YouTube prepared by our school YouTube channel for Balughat High School. And as I have never made some videos like this, so there may be some problems. Please don't mind it. I will try to make it better with time. Today I am going to deal with lesson 5, that is Our Runaway Kite by Lucy Maud Montgomery. Before starting the story, I will like to tell you something relating the story. It is a story of chance and coincidence. Chance and coincidence. Our lesson is Our Runaway Kite. Our Runaway Kite. It is lesson 5 by Lucy Maud Montgomery. And as I have told you, it is a story of chance and coincidence. What is chance and coincidence? Chance and coincidence is some incidents that happen like a chain, and without that incidents, the other incidents could not have happened at all. As you go through the text, you will see that there were many incidents happening in the story, and if we remove one incident from this, the other incidents would not be possible. Now I am going to go through the text and you will listen carefully. After reading the text, I will provide some questions that you will answer at home, and when our school opens, I will see that question and answers. Check that question and answer from you. Now let me begin, and you will listen carefully. Of course, there was nobody for us to play with on the big half moon. The narrator was a child. She is telling about their childhood stories. So there was no one to play with them where they lived, and it was Big Half Moon, an island. They were living on an island, and it was Big Half Moon Island. We just had to make the most of each other, and we did. she had with her her brother and two cousins, and they played together. Here she tries to say the most of each other means they were playing and making fun among their brothers and sisters. We live on the Big Half Moon Island. So we come to know that they lived on Big Half Moon Island. Big Half Moon. It is an island. We, our father and Claude and I and Aunt Esther and Mimi and Dick. So in their family there were the narrator, her elder brother Claude, and her father, Aunt Esther, and Mimi and Dick. Mimi and Dick were her cousin brother and sister. It used to be only father and Claude and I, but before their aunt and their cousin brother and sister came, there were only the narrator and her elder brother and her father. Keep it in mind. It is all on account of the kite that there are more of us. Now the story begins that due to a kite there were more of them. That is, Aunt Esther, Mimi and Dick came there due to the kite. The kite played a very significant role in uniting their family, that we will know from the story. This is what I want to tell you about. Now the narrator wants to tell us about the story. Father is the keeper of the Big Half Moon lighthouse. Their father is the keeper of a lighthouse. Lighthouse is a big tower-like building that is situated beside the sea, and on its head there is a light which signals the distant ships that there is a land near. I am 11 years old, Claude is 12. The narrator is 11 and her brother is 12. In winter, when the harbor is frozen over, we all move over to the mainland. They live in an island, we know, and when winter comes, the harbor is covered with snow and ice, and there is no ship running, so they move to the mainland. As soon as spring comes, back we sail to our own dear island. But when the spring returns, the snow melts, the ice melts, and the regular ship movement of ship begins. They return to their island. The funny part used to be that people always pitied us when the time came for us to return. And when they returned from the mainland, people there expressed their grief, for they were alone on the island and they did not have anyone, any other children to play with them. They said, we must be so lonesome over there with no other children near us. Of course, Claude and I would have liked to have someone to play with us. It is hard to run pirate caves and things like that. Pirate means dacoits who loots the ship's cargo and other valuable things from the ships, and they used to hide them in the islands. They are called pirates, and they play pirate caves and things like that. But it needs more children to play this kind of games. So they had some difficulty to play such games. But we used to quarrel a good deal with the mainland children in winter. But when in winter they went to the mainland, they used to quarrel among the other children. So it was perhaps just as well that there were none of them on the bigger moon. So they took it for granted that there were no children on the island because they used to quarrel with them and they also quarreled with them. But she with her brother, elder brother Claude, they never quarreled. Claude and I never quarreled. To be sure, father didn't seem to have any relations except us, and they knew that they had no other relatives except father, and there were only 3 on the island. This used to puzzle Claude and me, but they were puzzled why they didn't have any relatives. Everybody on the mainland had relations. Why hadn't we? On the mainland, the narrator saw that other people have relatives. They come, they visit their home, and they make much fun, but they had no relatives. So it was some kind of tormenting feelings to the narrator. Was it because we lived on an island? We thought it would be so jolly to have an uncle, an aunt, and some cousins. So we see that if relatives visit our homes, we feel very happy, and so did the narrator. They felt that if they had an uncle, aunt, or some cousins, it would be very funny. They would make fun together, but it was not possible as they had no relatives. Once we asked father about it, but he looked so sorrowful that we wished we hadn't. One day they asked their father about this, that father, why didn't we have any relatives? And their father became very sorry hearing that, and they thought that it would be better not to ask him like this. He said it was all his fault. Claude and I didn't understand what he meant. Father answered that for his fault they had no relatives. But it also puzzled them that what kind of fault father made that they had no relatives. Now, it is the end of the first unit. So, we see in this part that they live on an island as their father is a caretaker of a lighthouse there, and they visit the mainland during the winter, and they have no other relatives except their father, and they have no other relatives on the earth, and it is a matter of sadness to them. And we will see in the second part that they get their aunt and cousins back, and why? Due to the kite. How it happened, I will discuss in the unit 2 in my second class. Now I will give you some questions and you will complete the answers at home, and I will check them later when the school opens. Where did the narrator live? With her father and aunt and siblings. Where did the narrator live? With her father and aunt and siblings. Question number 2. What was her father. What was her father? Question number 3. What type of games are played by them? What type of games are played by them? Question number 4. Why did they visit the mainland in winter? Question number 1, I repeat. Where did the narrator live with her father and aunt and siblings? What was her father? What type of games were played by them? Why did they visit the mainland in winter? There are only 4 questions. I will give you more questions in my second session, second class. Thank you for watching the video. Good day.